My name is Sarah Renee, and this is my son.
My name is Michael, and I wear my favorite color is yellow, and I like two more colors, green and blue.
Yes, he does. So today we're going to be sharing with you how to crochet a chain using finger knitting. So we already made our slip knots, and I'll leave the link for that video in the description below. So that way, if you don't know how to make a slip knot, we'll show you how to down there. And so we're going to take our slip knot and the index finger of our dominant hand.
Like this.
Yes, just like that. And we're going to slip our finger through the slip knot. And now I'm going to take this short piece of yarn and grip it with my thumb and middle finger right below that knot. Now I'm going to take this long piece of yarn and wrap it. Good job! He's already ahead of me. So we're going to grip it, keeping that teardrop shape with this slip knot. And then you're going to bend your top finger so that way you have that piece of yarn latched and pull through that loop. And there you have your first chain. And then I'm going to have you let go of that spot underneath that knot, and I'm going to have you take your middle finger and your thumb and hold that first chain that we just made right there.
Right here?
So you just made that as your first loop or first chain, so grip it right there. And now you're just going to do the same thing again, doing that. So gripping the first chain, wrap,
Mom, what
latch,
happened?
pull through,
Mom,
and there you have another chain. Good job! And you're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over again until you have the amount of chains that you want. Let go, grip onto that last chain that you just made, wrap, pull through that loop. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for joining us. We'll have more on finger knitting in the future. This is Real-Time Crafts with my kids. Thank you.
Me and my mom.
Aw, I love you. Bye.